Hello, my name is Estefania. I'm in the class 625 Object-Oriented Programming C++, and this is my project called Animal Memory Game. So let's start with our game. So what is an animal memory game? So an animal memory game is a game that has 12 hidden cards and 6 pairs of animals. So our goal is to memorize every card and try to find the right match. Also, this game provides you brain skills, is educational, and also is fun to share with friends and family. So the first part of our program flow says, welcome to memory game. So that's the display message from our program. And now it's showing you the question marks with symbol that means inside there the names of the animals. So the second part of our program flow shows names of the animals. So now it's showing you cat, dog, bear, pig, bunny, and fish that complete all our 6 pair of animals. So that's the animals we need to try to find and memorize. So our third part of our program show flow is showing us, wow, you can see all the animals in the question marks. Now they ask you to do two things. Take a look of each card and press enter. So we have to take a look, memorize where the type of the rows and columns they can be our match, and also when we start pressing enter keyboard, the game's gonna start, and you cannot see the animals. I told you before, so let's start the game, and now our cards of animals they're hiding. So we're gonna start this fun game. So now like that we start the game, so now the player have to answer 4 questions. So those 4 questions is to pick rows and columns for the first card and row and columns for the second card. So in this case, you can only choose from 0 to 3 and 0 to 2, and the same for the second card. So let's take a look how this can be. So in this part of our program, so now the player is start introducing some numbers only from 2 to 3 if you're gonna pick rows, and only for from 0 to 2 if you're gonna start picking some columns. So from the first card, let's see. So the row and the column, the user introduce 0, and for the second card, the user introduce row and column number 2. So let's see. So our row start from 0, that means it's good. From the column is also 0, so that means cat. So we can find our first card with the name cat. In the second card, the row was picked like number 2, so 0, 1, 2. So we can see we're in the row 2, and then the column is the number 2. So we just need to move 2 more. So 0, 1, 2. So now we find our second card, and only if you do match, it's gonna be the display message called match, right? So the game is gonna keep asking you these questions, right? So you can see from our left picture and the right picture, the user is picking different numbers to find the match. So as we can see, he picks 0, 1 first card, 2, 0 second card. So he found dog and dog. So that's our second match. For the right picture, the user picks 0, 2 first card, 2, 1 second card. So as we can see, so bird and bird, so that's our third match. The same thing is gonna ask you, is gonna ask our program. So we can see the first card was 1 and 0, and the second card was 3 and 2. That means we can find pick. That's our four a match. And the right picture, for the first card, we picking 1 and 1. For the second card, we picking 3 and 0. So that means we find bunny. That's our fifth card. Right. And now we finishing trying to find our sixth card. So as we can see, the first card's pick was 1 and 2. The second one was 3 and 1. So we can find fish that mean match because we have complete all our six pair of cards. And when you have complete everything, good. So the program is gonna run a message. So it say, congratulations, you complete all the cards. So that's our game finished, and you have a complete everything right the step by step. But if I tell you what happened if you don't get the match in the first and the second try, so I'm gonna show you. So it's gonna show you the question marks hiding, and they're gonna ask you the same questions for the first card and the second card. So if you pick these numbers and they say no match, they ask you one more time, pick any row card, pick any column card for the first card, pick any row card, pick any column card for the second card, and then until you can get the match, right? So this is how our program Animal Memory Game works. And these are the data structures I use to make this game. So we can see 2D arrays, so our animal string, right? So you can see in every question mark we plug this, so this is our matrix variables. So to say, okay, which row, which column from the first card and the second card. So you can see row 1, column 1, row 2, column 2. I use also for and while loops for displaying right in the board the numbers, and while is our counter. So what is the counter means doing? So the counter is counting the times you get match or no match. So it's counting every time. If else, if our user choose the match cards or he didn't do any match. And our standard input and output, so our player can type numbers and the program is gonna display the answers. So I hope you can enjoy this game and have a trial and share with friends and students. Thank you so much. Bye. Hello, this is my second part of the video about my animal memory game project. So I'm just gonna show you how this program is gonna run correctly and you can see and you can enjoy. Also by yourself, with your friends and family. So as you can see right now, this is the code. I'm just gonna show you a little bit of my code, my matrix, my display in the names of the board. Now here's where we're gonna start the game, right? Picking the cards with a for loop. Match or no match the cards and the message everyone wants to see. Congratulations, you complete all the cards. So let's start this very fun game and let's be saving our file. And I'm just gonna click new terminal and let's see if this code is correct. So I'm just gonna put g++ animals game.cp or animals game. Okay, that means it's a good signal, like it's working. So then I'm just gonna be that slash animals game. As you can see now is showing us welcome to memory game question mark symbol, and inside of each question mark is the name of these ones. Okay, so as you can see, we have cat, dog, bear, pig, bunny, fish that complete all our 6 pair of cards. So now it's saying we have to do these two things. Take a look of each card, press enter. So I already looked for these of each card and I'm gonna start doing enter because I'm gonna start this game. So now, as you can see, let's start the game. Let's start picking our first card of any animal you want. So I'm just gonna click this card, right? Let's see. So now we have been matching. Our first card is called cat. So you can see cat and cat in the corner, position 0, and another cat in position 2, 2, right? So now let's keep doing because the program is still asking us to finish this game. So now we have been find dog, right? As you can see. So let's keep doing this. 0, 2, 2, 1. So I have been find bird, right? As our third animal. So let's keep doing this until we can finish the game and we can receive all the congratulations. So now we have been find the 4 animals. It's called pig. Pig position 0, 1, right? And our P position 3, 2. Okay, that's very good. So let's keep doing this. So as you can see, I get a little mistake. So I have find dog that we have find before, and I'm trying to look for bunny. So let's try one more time. Okay, so I'm just trying to look for bunny. As you can see, I found bunny, so that's very good and the same match. So now let's try find our last animal. So let's see. Okay, so now our program displaying congratulations, you complete all the cards. So that means we finished our last animal, that was fish, and you can have a lot of mistakes as you want. So, but the good thing is that the program is always gonna keep asking. So it's not gonna stop, or it's gonna say the